Hello everyone. This is kind of a cool device. It's MP3. It's about maybe 15-16 years old and amazingly still working. So I thought to kind of share this video with you. And the cool thing about this, you can also record your own voice or music. And so the basic for this device to turn on, there is like 1, 2, and here is the bottom to this one. Can focus, see, yeah. So this one, it's you can lock, back everything, and unlock. Here's the, you can connect this Samsung digital audio player MP3 to direct to the earplugs, headphone, like that, or you can use this speaker, any speaker, and use this wire, and both nail here, jack phone, or yeah, and same thing, you can connect it to the speakers. To turn this one on, you need to press here. You can see, let's see, for some reason, okay, yeah, here we go. So those two bottoms, it's so hard to see actually, yeah. Yeah, so this one is to start, press to start. This one, play and pause, record the voice, and this is the menu here. That's user menu. Here, simple thing. So let's start on, press and hold, and yeah. So this one, it's a 512 memory only. We can release this. This USB 2.1.1, 2.0, it works on any type of Windows, simply by hooking up, and you can delete, download, and so on. You can do things on when you hook it up to the computer or to laptop. Hook it up to the computer, you can delete things and so on. Now it's playing, so let's hear this music. Here, to turn the volume up and down, next track, previous track, select, and you can select. So turn it all the way up, you can hear this music. Yeah, unfortunately this one, this wire is not working. I cannot hook it up to the speaker. But yeah, this is how. Next, you can press here, next track, and so on. To record your voice, simply by hold, press, you see this red button, hold. Now start recording my voice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can see it's counting. Press again and hold, and stop. Ask you, did you want to play? Check it. I say yes. Press, and then yeah, I don't know, just do. So that's how you record your voice. You can play back and so on. Next, let's select this music. See, there's, oh yeah, there's setting here. So if you go to setting, select setting, user, time, and so on. There's a time, display. Let's go to display. Display time, display effect, display time, LED effect, random, always on. So I just say always on, and now return. And time, here is, you can see, set up a time, auto power off. See, now returning again. Let's say music, so the 3D user set, play, what is this, DNCE, I don't know, stage, normal, dance, oh, there's a lot of things here, I don't know, classic, how about user, studio, stage, club, normal, rock, house, dance. So it's house. You can do a lot of things here, but okay, anyway, normal, play mode, repeat all, repeat once, shove, and yeah, so on. So you can do things, you know, something like that. Let's say normal, user. Oh, there's a user equalizer set. You see, you can use those ones. Wow, I didn't know that. And you can see, you can change and then use. That's cool. There's so many here. Yeah, wow, that's good. Let's change this to. Okay, that's good. And now how we can go back? Go back again. Save, yes. 3D user set. I'll put it on 3. Yeah, so 3D 5 return. And what about, okay, so I don't know this much about this one. Yeah, I don't know. Let's oh, play speed also. There's play speed. Search on true time. Return. Now, yeah, so system. Choose maybe this one. Delete file. Oh, here we go. So now we can delete some files. You see? Now we can delete some files, but I don't know which one to delete, so I'm just gonna leave them. Cancel. Okay, how to go back? Here we go. Here's some music. See, the voice, music space. This is the track name, system volume, voice. Those are all voice I recorded, so I'm just gonna delete them. Confirm. Delete. Confirm. Yeah, that's how you delete the voice from here. I'm gonna hook it up to the laptop so you can see it's so easy to do it on laptop. Here it's kind of slow. Now, what's this? Oh, cancel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dina. Okay, now let's go to so that's kind of cool, you know. Very simple. Play the music. Oh, we're gonna go beep on. About version, and you know, it tells you the information about this device. Now we're just gonna return. Language, you can choose menu. There's a Chinese and Dutch, English. Oh yeah, there's French, German, Italian, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Swedish. So there's about at least maybe more than 10 different languages. Okay, go back. ID3 tag. What's that? Oh, okay. English. English. Return again. And this is the music. Navigate. Playlist. So there's so much things. Setting music. to change the track simply by going here, press here, you see, and it'll guide you to the next one. Okay, so see, when you press this, it's locked, but the lights, I don't know why the lights goes off. I have to turn it off and then back on to see the lights. I don't know. Anyway, so if anybody knows how to keep the lights on, because I just did it on a setting, but still the light disappear, and then even if I still press any button, it won't come back. The LED light, it will be off. See, now it's off, now it's on, but as you see, a few minutes later, the LED light display will be off and won't come back again. So I don't know why, but yeah, it's very cool actually. I like it. Here's the back, serial number, made in China. Let's hook it up to the computer and see. So once you hook it up to the computer, basically in the screen here, you see it'll just say charging, and here is the shows new media has been. Do you want to add those files to your project? No. So here's the music on this MP3.
Click the red button for a trip to space.
There's 3 so far, and the third one. Record voice, those are just voice recording. I'm just gonna delete them. Once you hook it up to the laptop, it'll start charging. Here you see. Yeah, you can also charge it with any those adapter or charger, adapter charger. Like most of those ones for cell phones, most of them 5 volt or so. So yeah, they all easy, just go like that and you can charge it, or use the laptop, desktop, any 5 volt, you should charge this. And once you hook it up, you'll see the flash charging. Once it'll fully charge, it tells you here in the screen it's fully charged. And just click and paste, click and paste, or drag it here. See, just like that. This is how you download or load your digital audio. Very simple. Yeah, this one, some of them I'll put link description also down below for more information. They are new models of those ones. They are like about 1 giga or 2, maybe more, so you can put more music on. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos randomly, regularly, pretty much just about everything. And hope you like it. Thank you again, and hope to see you next video. Bye bye.